The way that you share your survey matters. A polished invite builds trust and unlocks higher response rates. Let's look at how SurveyMonkey helps you invite people to take your survey the right way at the right time. If you're looking for the most flexible way to share a survey, start with sharing a web link. It's your versatile, do-it-all option and the most popular way to publish a survey on SurveyMonkey. Whether you're dropping a link into Slack for a quick team pulse check or sharing it on LinkedIn to gauge brand awareness, it's the easiest way to meet people where they're already scrolling. You can also generate a QR code for your web link, print it on marketing collateral or signage to give people a frictionless, scannable way to share their thoughts on the fly. When you want to reach respondents directly with a fully branded invitation experience, our email collector makes it easy to create custom invitations, track responses, and follow up, all with a streamlined, customizable setup. This is ideal for closing the loop, like sending a satisfaction survey immediately after a support ticket is resolved. And email invitations get some of the best response rates from recipients. We've recently redesigned the default invitation template, so your survey invite looks professional on a phone or a desktop without you having to touch a thing. Plus, your survey title is right there in the editor for easy access. There's also a new default logo placeholder. It's a small detail, but swapping it out for your own logo is a fast way to build instant credibility with your audience. The invitation text comes pre-filled with a friendly welcome, so you aren't starting from a blank page. But of course, you can tweak the tone in seconds to make sure it sounds like it's coming from you and matches your brand's tone and personality. If you need to gather opinions from people outside your network, use Build an Audience to tap into our global panel of more than 335 million people. This allows you to find respondents belonging to the exact demographics that you need, ensuring you get the right data from the right people. Before you launch a new product, use this to ask people in your specific target demographic if they would buy it. If your audience is already spending time on your website, you don't need to go anywhere to find them. You just need to meet them where they are. The website collector lets you embed your survey directly into the page or trigger a pop-up, so the feedback happens right in the flow of their experience. For example, you can trigger a pop-up when a user tries to leave your checkout page to understand cart abandonment. Whether you're choosing an embedded form, a button, or a pop-up, we've streamlined the setup experience to take the guesswork out of building it. Check out this side-by-side layout. As you change your styling or update the title on the right, you see exactly how it looks on your website in real time on the left. So there are no surprises once you hit publish. You can also easily control targeting behaviors, like showing a survey after a few seconds or after they've scrolled a certain amount. It's really about being relevant, not intrusive. And getting this live is effortless. You don't need to be a developer or need a complex integration. Simply copy the code snippet we generate, paste it into your site's HTML, and you're ready to collect. There are even more ways to reach your audience where they're ready to respond. For those on enterprise plans, you can leverage SMS to land right in their message inbox. It's perfect for those moments when you need a response now. And if you're in person at a trade show or a retail shop, the kiosk option turns any tablet into a dedicated feedback station that works even if your Wi-Fi flakes out. Whether you're catching people in their inbox, on your website, or out in the real world, there's a collector built to help you turn those invitations into real insights. Head over to your SurveyMonkey dashboard and start publishing today. We're excited to see the insights that you'll uncover.